Ever wanted subtitles on your videos without paying extra? In this quick guide, I will show you how to add subtitles for free using TurboScribe. TurboScribe is a free tool that automatically generates subtitles for any type of video. It's fast, accurate, and super easy to use. Step 1. Head over to TurboScribe and upload your video file. You can use MP4, MOV or other common formats. Second step is, once uploaded, TurboScribe will process your video and create subtitles automatically. This usually takes some few minutes. And then you can review the subtitles, fix any mistakes and adjust timing. This ensures everything matches your videos perfectly. Finally, export the subtitle as an .srt file or burn them directly into your video. Now your content is more accessible and engaging.
If you export the subtitle file as an .srt file, you can upload this one for your video easily using VLC player like this. And that's it. Free subtitles with TurboScribe. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and share it with other creators.